Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide sensitive content of notifications on lock screen on Infinix 040. Firstly, go into the settings. Now go into notifications and status bar, tap on lock screen, display rule, and here enable hide lock screen notifications or show notification content. I will choose hide lock screen notifications, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.